Welcome to the Java tutorial about array lists. Array lists are, to begin with, array lists are a type of array, but compared to an array, it's more flexible and you can do a lot more things without having to change its size because arrays have a set size limit to how much data it can hold. To start out, we're going to need to import Java util. And first we're going to create our array list. It can contain different kinds of information. For the purposes of this tutorial, we're going to do strings, but it can also contain doubles, integers, or object references. I need to put in the main method also. Very important. There we go. So now we can start adding elements to this array list. So to add strings, simply call the object and use the add method. And you can type in any string you want. Since this is a form of array, strings are going to be stored in indexes starting at 0. If you try to call on another element right now that's not 0, it's going to result in an error. I'm going to show you that right now. And to get an element from the array list, just simply use the get method. So save and compile, and it'll result in an exception because index 1 doesn't exist as it is right now. So when you change it to 0, it'll work. Okay. Also, you can get the size or how many elements are currently inside this object by using the size method. Save and run. Here's the size of it. It currently has 1 element inside of it. And to add more elements, just simply keep using that add method. Now you can also remove elements by using the remove method. And the parameter inside this would just be the index you want to remove. So if I want to remove Kaito, just hit 1, and then when you save and compile, it should only have 1 element inside of there. When you keep adding elements, it'll add them in order. So it'll start with index 0 and then keep going. It always does it in order. So now I'm going to put Kaito back. Now if you want to change an element, there's a method called set. And so right now I want to change Kaito to something else. Simply look at the index you want, and since Kaito is in index 1, I'll put int 1 and then change that to Let's see, Luca. When you run it, it should display Luca. There we go. Alright, that's our short video tutorial. Hope that helped you out.